So people, ManRat here, coming to you with a video. This time I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick vegan salsa that you can use on top of your tacos, or you can use it as a topping. The ingredients that you need for that is diced cucumber and tomatoes, one tomato and one diced cucumber. You can check the link in the description below to how to dice tomatoes and onions into cubes. You also need half an onion. You also need green chilies, preferably use Thai green chilies, just cut them in half. Half a key lime, the other half you can put it in water, drink it, it's really delicious. You also need sea salt, preferably use kosher sea salt is good, and peppermint. All you do is, it's really quick and simple. Dice the tomato, dice the cucumber, put them in the side. I preferably remove the skin. Once that is done, take half an onion, basically a handful. You can increase or decrease the quantity as you like. Put the onions in there. Once the onions are done, just take the green peppers that you had and cut them into small cubes. You want them to be as fine as possible, and again, be very careful when you're using a knife, because that can hurt you. And one part was left. There you go, that's done. Just toss it in. Toss in with a dry hand. This one was my wet hand. Toss in with one hand pinch of sea salt, or make it 2 pinches. And just another trick, if you have a pepper grinder with a cover, rather than removing the cover, just 4 is more than enough. And there you go, everything is here. Just drops it in. Once you toss it in, take the lemon, and I use this one is fiberware. As I say, it looks as ceramic, but it's not, it's metal, and it's coated pretty well. Take the lemon and just drop the lemon in there and leave it aside, and you'll be done. I'm going to move this cut onion that was left into the bowl. Again, very carefully, do not cut yourself. I'm an expert, and don't do this either, this will dull your knife, but I have a knife sharpener that I use, so that's going to be fine. Once that is done, put it on the side. If it gets some water, you can always drain it, and this will be the final result. As you can see, is good. Take a fork, mix it up, put it on top of your tortillas, put it on top of your tacos. You can put it on top of your rice and spread it around, and give it an extra little zing, that way you're not picking and eating it out. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you out. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys and gals in the next one. And don't forget to thumbs up. Later, people.